Hi lovely viewers, welcome to Ama's Corner. My name is Nana Ama Akumah. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way of making Ghana's pancake. It tastes yummy, it's nice, you'll love it. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Ama's Corner, I'd like to urge you all to always use your hand sanitizers, wash your hands with soap and stay safe. Thank you. So we're going to begin by measuring our ingredients, then we start with our pancakes. I'm going to measure 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of flour. It can be a plain flour or self-raising flour. I'm going to measure 1/4 cup of sugar. It's 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 cup of white sugar. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. It goes in. 1/2 cup of water. 2 eggs. Just a pinch of salt. We're going to use 12 tablespoons of fresh milk. So normally I use the 1/4 cup to measure 3 times. Now that we are done with our measuring, I'm going to blend everything together, then we can start with our pancakes. This cooking spray is going to be used to fry our pancakes. Finito. Okay, so we're going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to use the oil spray to coat my pan, then we can start with our pancakes. So just run, and that's it. I'm going to use my 1/2 cup to do my measurement, okay? So it becomes easier to get the same portion of it. So you pour it in, and you move it. So when you see these little bubbles, it's ready to be turned over. Then after that, you start folding it. Then you take it off. That's it. It's just some few seconds job to do. Oh my God, this is an easy breakfast that you can do for the family at home. It takes only 5 good minutes. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mm-hmm.